Hey guys, I'm going to be solving the question number 2 of Euclid 2020. So let's start with question 2 part A. Question 2 part A says that there is a 3-digit positive integer m. So let's call m A, B, C, where these are the digits of the number. And we know that m is an odd integer. Okay, so if the hundreds digit of m equals the product of the tens digit and ones digit of m, what is m? Okay, so it's basically saying a is equal to b times c. We have to find the number m using this information, and we know that m is an odd integer. Okay, so m can be written as 100a plus 10b plus c, and c can only be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But it's very unrealistic to think that c is 7 or 9, because we have to have a as a single digit number and a is equal to b times c. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, if c is 1, that means b can be any number, but a will also be equal to b, so we have to eliminate that, as it says a and b and c are all distinct digits. So c is not equal to 1. Now if c is equal to 3, we can have b as either 1, 2 or 3. Again, we can't have b as 1 because that would make a equal to c. So b can be 2 or 3. If b is 2, we'll have a equal to 6. That will give us 100 times 6 plus 10 times 2 plus 3. So that will be 600 plus 23, which is 623. Now if we number 2 part B. Eleanor has 100 marbles, each of which is black or gold. The ratio of the number of black marbles to the number of gold marbles is 1:4. So we have the ratio of numbers of black marbles to gold marbles is equal to 1:4. How many gold marbles should she add to change this ratio to 1/6? So right now we have b upon g equal to 1/4, and we want b upon g plus x equal to 1/6. X is the number of marbles, gold marbles, she will have to add. So using this, we can get 4b is equal to g. And now using the second equation, we have 6b equal to g plus x. And g is 4b, so we have 2b is equal to x. But because the total number of marbles are 100, we have b plus g equal to 100. And we know 4b is equal to g. And that means 5b is equal to 100. b is equal to 20. That means x has to be 40. She has to add 40 more gold marbles so that the ratio between black marbles and gold marbles is 1/6. Okay, let's go ahead and check that. If we have b equal to 20, g will be 80. So the new ratio b upon g plus x will become 20 upon 80 plus 40, which is 20 upon 120, and that is clearly 1/6. Let's move on to question number 2 part C. Question number 2 part C says that n is a positive integer and the value of n square plus n plus 15 upon n is also an integer, and we have to determine all the possible values of n. Okay, so now let's expand this. N plus 1 plus 15 by n. So if we want this to be an integer, n has to be a factor of 15. So the only options for n are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So we'll just plug all of these values in and get the answers. When n is equal to 1, we have 1 plus 1 plus 15, which is equal to 17. That is an integer, so that works. N is equal to 1. And I'm not going to go ahead and check the rest because I've checked for one, and you can do similarly for all the others. So this is the final answer for question number 2, part C. Thank you guys for watching.